Straight line first. What kind of joint technique is this? This is the diagonal joint technique. Mark 2 points along the angled edge and connect them while keeping equal angles to the opposite side. This creates a perfect diagonal cut. 2. This is the 45-degree joint technique. First, use a square ruler to locate 2 reference points. Connect the points together, then cut away the extra material to create a clean angled joint. 3. This is the curved arc joint technique. Draw a quarter circle arc from the corner of the right angle to the edge. After removing the excess section, the 2 pieces fit together perfectly. 4. This is the joint technique for materials with different widths. Use a ruler to level and draw a straight line first, then mark a diagonal cutting line. Align the narrow board with the wider board. Transfer the matching line, redraw the diagonal, and remove the excess material for a perfect fit. 5. This is the inner angle tracing joint technique. Press the ruler firmly against one side and draw a straight line. Then switch to the other side and draw another line. The point where the 2 lines meet creates the exact angle you need to copy. 6. This is the right angle joint technique. First, locate the starting point of the wall corner and the end of the board. Connect them diagonally, then cut along the marked line to create a successful corner joint. What kind of joint technique
Creative
is this?
steamed bun recipes. Prepare a comb in advance. Press gently into a round dough to create patterns. Use chopsticks to pinch it into a shell shape. Place a red date on top for a unique flavor. Use a cutter to press long grooves into the dough. Cut evenly with a small knife. Pinch the dough with chopsticks.
Who do you want?
$1 Million Chef's creative steamed bun recipes. Prepare a comb in advance. Press gently into a round dough to create patterns. Use chopsticks to pinch it into a shell shape. Place a red date on top for a unique flavor. Use a cutter to press long grooves into the dough. Cut evenly with a small knife. Pinch the dough with chopsticks and push inward. Shape it into plump, round corn kernels. Wrap the white dough with the corn-shaped dough. Press the ends with a knife to create realistic corn patterns. The result is a lifelike corn bun that instantly whets the appetite. Press the dough at both ends with chopsticks. Push from the ends toward the center, pinching to form a pumpkin shape. Add a red date for a festive touch. Make small round holes in red dough. Press 2 pieces together gently to stick. Add your favorite filling. Gather the edges into a canopy shape. Use white dough for the mushroom stem. Your cute little mushroom bun is ready. Divide green dough into 4 pieces. Fold each piece into a triangle. Stack the 4 pieces neatly. Press the center with chopsticks. Use fingers to pinch the sides. Leaf-shaped buns are simple and easy to make. Press the dough with chopsticks and fold toward the center. Use a fork to create even bumps along the sides for caterpillar legs. Lift the sides upward to give it dimension. Add facial details for a more lively effect. Fold dough into a fan shape. Gently press edges with a fork. Pinch with fingers to shape a flexible fishtail. Pinch with chopsticks to define head and tail. Create eyes and mouth. Use the spoon handle to imprint scales. Your adorable goldfish bun is complete.
Higher success rate. Even a single bud can be. Ever wondered how to turn your garden into a pro-level botanical wonder? Today we're diving into the art of grafting and propagation. First up, let's try a precision whole graft. Start by making a small, clean puncture. Then, carefully carve out a notch to snugly fit your scion. Insert your cutting, making sure those layers line up perfectly for a strong union. Seal it up tight with some grafting tape to keep moisture in and pests out. Want more plants from your favorites? Air layering is your best friend. Score the bark, pack it with damp moss or soil, and secure it. In just about 28 days, you'll have a robust root system ready for a life of its own. Now, let's explore the V-graft. A clean, sharp cut is key here. For thicker branches, a cleft graft works wonders. See how these 2 pieces fit together like a puzzle? The secret is in the contact area. More contact means a higher success rate. Even a single bud can become a whole new branch. This delicate tea-budding technique is perfect for fruit trees and roses. Don't forget about the roots. Strengthening the base of your bonsai can change its entire look. Whether it's air layering in a cup or a bottle, the results speak for themselves. With a little patience and a steady hand, you can master these techniques too.
Narrow space. Even if the wrench fits, there's no room to rotate. Cut 2 notches at one end of the PVC pipe so it can securely grip the connector, then drill 2 holes at the other end to serve as torque levers. Once the PVC pipe slides into the gap and locks onto the connector, use the leverage to tighten it. 2. When the size of the pipe doesn't match the connector, cut a section from an old inner tube, slip it over the pipe's end, and flip it over. The rubber ring becomes a thickened seal. It not only makes the connection tight, but also creates a perfect seal. 3. When installing a water pipe angle valve, the pre-drilled hole is too close to the wall, you won't be able to rotate the valve body. Here's how the plumber handles it. Just use a copper adapter. Screw one end into the wall side connection and screw the other end into the valve. The adapter replaces the rotating valve body. Use a wrench to tighten the hex position in the middle, and the installation is complete. 4. When you can't remove the internal threads from a plastic pipe, fix a bolt into the drill. Chuck. Heat the bolt head to 200 degrees Celsius with a flame. While it's hot, press it into the pipe opening. After it cools, rotate the drill and the connector can be easily removed. 5. When you don't have a T-joint connector, use rubber glued to the pipe and tighten a half coupling with a clamp. You can drill the connection and start directing water. This way you can quickly install a water outlet valve. 6. Drill a hole into the water pipe. Pass a knot of rope through the hole. Cut the pipe at the appropriate position. Use a large clamp to press the pipe tightly, and you've got a clothesline made of a water pipe. 7. How do you prevent sewer odors from backflowing? Cut a section of bicycle inner tube and slip it over the drain pipe. Leave a part of the pipe exposed, then use a zip tie to secure it. Next, insert it back into the drain pipe. Flip the exposed part over to cover the pipe opening. After securing it with a zip tie, it forms a two-way seal. This is how plumbers effectively block odors and pests.